Department of Public Works is already putting together a plan for how to deal with this weekend storm.
Yeah, our Melissa Kim joins us live tonight from one of the city's facilities where these trucks are ready to roll on out. Hey, Melissa.
Yeah, hey guys, this whole fleet of plow trucks is ready to be deployed this weekend by the department, but first, they're going to take some time to get them ready. For almost 25 years, Warnique West has kept the district in order during winter weather. She's got the process to preparation down to a science.
One, making sure all of our equipment is ready. Two, making sure that we have all the material and supplies that we need, such as salt, brine, and things of that nature. Notifying our staff that, we will be working 12-hour shifts.
But when the path of the storm keeps changing, history has taught her to keep a close eye on it.
See when the snow is coming, how long it's going to last, what the temperatures are going to be beforehand and afterwards, and even during the event. And then the intensity of it, right? How many inches are they expecting per hour? What does the moisture look like?
Are you excited for this big storm? I know that you like snow.
Absolutely. I'm the snow queen. You got to be excited for snow.
Now, Wes tells me there will be about 30 to 35 crews out brining the streets tomorrow night and also Friday night. And then Saturday is when they'll start salting the roads. So stay tuned. We're live in Northeast tonight. I'm Melissa Kim, WUSA 9.
Well, we know at least one person who loves the snow. The snow queen is
Yeah,
very happy.
she has
for
to, right?
What's coming this way.